guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're looking at the Gokozy heated ladies body warmer. As we all know guys, the price of electricity has been going through the roof, but it is still very important to be able to keep yourself warm. One of the theories are in fact that it's actually better to keep your body warm rather than warming up whole house. So those guys kindly supplied me one of the ladies vests to give it a go. It sounds like a really good idea to me. I kind of wanted to have one of those for a while because I do honestly always feel really cold. Even if I have a heating out with the house, I still get really chilly. So having something like that sounds like a good idea. So without further ado, let's open it up. So you can see guys, it does come in its own bag, which is rather good. So if you did wanted to store this away, then you got a bag to put it in. So opening it up in here, you do get yourself a little manual. It just gives you a basic information, obviously how to plug it in, how to charge it, and just general information about the vest. And in here we have a 10,000 milliamp power bank. It's quite a little one, fairly lightish for what it is. And you have yourself a charging cable. And of course it comes in a little bag. So let's get this opened up. They do apparel for ladies and men as well, and they do come in different colors. In terms, you've got black, you've got grey, and you've got some other different fabrics as well. But generally, this is what I have. It is a grey one. I must say so far, it is very light, and I mean like very light, which is really good. So without further ado, let me change the camera around and I show you a close-up what we have. Here we are, this is a little close-up, so you can see we've got a logo in here, we've got a little control buttons in here, which I'll tell you that in a minute. It comes with the two pockets, and I also see here you have a little tassel, so you can actually tighten it up when you wear this. We'll try this out later. On the inside here, unzip that, okay. You can see hopefully here we have a heating element at the back, we've got heating element on the top of the back, we've got heating elements in the neck area, around the neck area, and then we have a heated elements in here, which is really good. I must say though, it is super thin, so technically when you wear this we shouldn't even feel that we having anything there like that. So looking on the side here, we have a waterproof pocket. This is where we put our power bank. Right, you have yourself a USB cable that gets plugged in into the power bank, and you do have a protector. This body warmer is washable, but you have to wash this by hand and very gently. But it's a really good thing that you do have this to protect the cable. So let's get it plugged in. So this is our power bank. Right, let's plug it in here. Okay, you got your power button to put it on. Okay, that shows you, lights indicates that power bank is fully charged and is on, so let's put it here. Okay, and close that. So now let's have a look at the front. So as I said, we have the control panels here, the control buttons. So I'm going to hold them for 3 seconds. You can see that comes on. Right, if you can see here on the picture, that indicates that this button here will control the back, and this button here controls the front. There are 3 types or 3 degrees of heat. You have first one, which is 40 degrees, second is 50, and third is 60. Okay, and you control this by pressing the button. So you've got 3 levels of heat. So on the very first light level of 40 degrees, okay, it will last you approximately 8.5 hours. At the next level, 5 to 6 hours, and on the 60 degree, which is the maximum heat, it will last you 3.5 hours. So without further ado, let's take it out for a walk. So guys, here we are. We went for a lovely walk. There is approximately 8 degrees right now and is, well, rather nippy, but I'm keeping myself rather cozy. So I've put myself on the number 3, so the maximum temperature. So I can feel myself already. It's getting really warm around the neck. And it's actually quite a good idea because I quite often get sore throat. And I think sometimes, whether you're doing a school run or whatever, it's quite nice to actually have a warmth around your neck as well. I can feel the sides, the fronts, sort of on the sides getting a bit warm. And my back is rather warm. All in all, guys, it's really comfortable. Like I said, you've got the pockets in here. Okay, which is really good. They're quite a deep pocket as well, which is rather handy. They've got the zips. As I mentioned here, you've got your tassels, so you can make it just a bit more fitting towards you if you wanted to. But generally, I think it's rather comfortable. And the fact is, it is very light as well, which makes it an absolute bonus. So generally, I feel rather comfortable considering, as I said, I've got the arms that are kind of open. Generally, I do feel really snug and warm, and it kind of always feels like wearing a duvet, if that makes sense. It gives you that really nice, warm, cozy feeling. So nonetheless, guys, well, hopefully you enjoyed the video. I put all the links down below, and yeah, have a look. And well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.